Hi, I'm Ron Sylvia with Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales, and today I'm aboard this beautiful 2020 Sunseeker 74 Sport Yacht. This boat has just over 600 hours on the main engines, is a one-owner boat, and has spent its time between South Florida and the beautiful pristine waters of the Great Lakes. She was delivered new in January of 2020 and has been maintained with an open checkbook policy since new and has a full-time captain since this boat was delivered new. Come around with me and have a look around.